at its most basic, there are three criteria that makes a team a team. Okay? And what are those criteria that defines a team? So the second criteria is this: uh, working together. So you are called a team if you're a group of people and you're working together, not against each other, di ba? Minsan kasi yung together parang katrabaho ko lang, but you have to be working together, which basically means you're collaborating, coordinating, and cooperating. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin ng working together. And the third criteria is to achieve a common goal or a shared goal. So at its most basic, that is a team. Tignan natin yung sinabi ni Patrick Lencioni. Okay? So this is Patrick Lencioni. He's the author of the book, The Five Dysfunctions of a Team. It's a widely read book on team development and one of my go-to books to understand, appreciate, and champion teamwork in the workplace. Anong sabi ni Lencioni? It's not finance. Okay? It's not strategy. It's not technology. It is teamwork that remains the ultimate competitive advantage because it is powerful and rare. So, teamwork ang pinakamagandang competitive advantage ng isang organization or ng isang team. And the reason is that if you can have teamwork, you can be very powerful, but also know that it's rare for companies or organizations to have teamwork. Di ba? Sabi ni Lencioni, kasi may five dysfunctions. Mali yung aking timing. Okay? Siguro, babalikan ko yan mamaya. I apologize. Hindi ko kabisado masyado yung slides ko for tonight. No? Uh, bilang leader, you play a very important part. And that's the reason why we're having this presentation. Okay? Bilang leader, you have a very important part in team development. Oo. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, magaling naman akong leader, kulang lang sa teamwork yung mga tao ko. Yung teamwork ng mga team members mo depends a lot on what you do as a leader. Okay?